Hello, everybody. I'm very glad to meet you. We are going to complete our subject right now. I'm sure, very sure, you are doing very well. And I said, Moringa has 1,000 virtues. It is able to regulate our feeding problems, our health problems, our financial problems. So, what should we remember to conclude that subject? Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel, which will teach you the secret, the main secret of Moringa plant. And today, right now, we are talking about how to use it in the particular conditions. So, what are the other powers of Moringas that we should use? I said that there are 5 conditions to be fulfilled, to be 120-year-old. In these conditions, there are 5 steps to follow. The first, you may choose healthy foods if you want to have a healthy body to eat. Second, you may have a rest. You may fast in order to allow your organism to fix himself. Third, we may look for perspiration all the time, every day. We may perspire in our exercise. 5, we may discipline our brains, our mindset. And the last is, we may take care of our environment. So right now, we are going to talk about fasting. Fasting is a cure, but it is an absence of contribution to our body. During our fast, the body gets rid of toxin. Healthy cells destroy disease cells, and the fresh fast begins to renewal our cells. That is called mitosis. The body will need all the nutrients to produce new cells in perfect health. Here is the secret to excellent health. You describe a period of fasting according to our will. We have several sorts of fast. Intermittent fast. You can fast twice a day. You can fast twice a week. Fast on Monday and fast on Thursday. We can also fast if you want 3 a month. First, 4th, and 5th day in the month. You will emerge for our treatment in excellent health. And after fasting, it's better for us to take Moringa to start fasting, or after fasting to eat it. You will have all the nutrients in the Moringa to facilitate your immune, your mitosis, and to become young and to recover yourself after fasting. That's one of the main advantage to use Moringa plant. So we are going to talk about our disease. So what is the impact of Moringa on our disease? In this case, you have a disease of civilizations, breast cancers, liver cancers, kidney cancers, arterial hypertension, diabetes, bone pain, joint problem. There are several kinds of sickness. But you apply this course, you will quickly recover if you will use Moringa. Whatever the father of the disease, poor nutrition is its mother. So we may fast, and during our fasting, our organs will fix himself. And after fasting, it's better for us to have moringa plant. In moringa leaf, for instance, there are several nutrients inside. We can help our organism to repair himself quickly and to do our mitosis. And during your mitosis, we are becoming okay. The disease, the penicillin disease, or the other disease will get out of your organism. Here are two examples to explain you that moringa is indispensable. It's very important for us to use moringa every day in our foods, to use it to recover, to use it to be okay. Thank you for being a member of Objectif Santé of the Docteur Nature. I hope you are subscribing. Please click on like. Be well. Thank you very much and see you for the next video.